Plus, I'm Steve Irvin.
And I'm Stephanie Hawkridge in for Katie Rammel. Well, activists march from the 4th Avenue jail to the federal courthouse to protest Sheriff Joe Arpaio. Among the marchers, Supervisor Mary Rose Wilcox and several Latino groups.
And that march coming just before a hearing to address how the sheriff and his deputies will change the way they do business. ABC 15's Christina Estes inside the federal courtroom. And Christina, this hearing follows that judge's ruling that Arpaio's office racially profiled Latinos. So what happened?
Well, no big decision reached, but both sides say they are making progress. And we did learn of some significant changes the sheriff's office has already made.
Hello, this is Sheriff Joe Arpaio. Please join my office in the fight against illegal immigration.
Nearly 6 years after launching his illegal immigration hotline,
Wait for the tone and leave your important message.
the sheriff's no longer asking for tips because the hotline is no longer in service. And the billboards and vehicle wraps touting his fight against illegal immigration are disappearing. Also gone, those controversial crime suppression sweeps. I asked the sheriff's right-hand man how Arpaio's taking all this. He says, fine.
We are doing our job as smarter policing, smarter sheriffing, any way you want to put it. We continually monitor what we do. We continually change our policies. We add new policies. And this was just a catalyst to that process.
So you guys removed all mention of illegal immigration from all the vehicles. You removed the hotline. Come on.
Yes,
you
know what?
The sheriff has no problem with any of this.
He had no problem with that. The judge told us to do that, and that's what we did.
The judge also wants a federal monitor brought in to review training, policies, and procedures. And both sides still need to agree on how MCSO will track traffic stops and arrests. The plaintiffs want deputies to record each person's race and ethnicity, while the sheriff's office says if you want race-free, bias-free policing, don't have deputies checking a box for every person. The plaintiff's attorney says other agencies have done it, so I asked how they know officers are accurately recording their encounters.
Someone who can look at these issues, who has experience in these civil rights issues, who also has experience with law enforcement agency actions, and I think that that's an issue that can be addressed.
And that's one of the reasons that plaintiffs are pushing so hard for an independent monitor. The sheriff, though, doesn't want an outsider coming in and reviewing and signing off on all these changes. He would rather make the changes and then have the court monitor them. Both sides will return to court, hopefully with a full compromise by late August.
Yeah, it'll be interesting to see how this progresses. Christina, thank you.